अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब खैरियत से होंगे, अपना काम बड़े बेहतरीन तरीके के साथ कर रहे होंगे। एक और मजेदार इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के साथ आपका भाई आपके सामने हाजिर है। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपके सामने जो शेयर करने वाले हैं वो 18 व्हीलर कैरिंग ऑन रेयर एंड ट्रक शट डाउन। इसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, किस तरह से जो है वो एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ है 18 व्हीलर ट्रक एक्सीडेंट का। उसके बारे में कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे इन यूएसए। तो चलते हैं मेन स्क्रीन की तरफ, शुरू करते हैं आज के टॉपिक। मगर उससे पहले तमाम दोस्तों से इल्तिमास है, वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की मजीद इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो आप तक पहुंच जाए। चलिए दोस्तों, चलते हैं कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के ऊपर। आगे हम अपने कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के ऊपर 18 व्हीलर कैरिंग द ऑनियन। ये बेसिकली एक है, इसके बारे में आज हम बताएंगे। Near the ocean words, the sites of the onion cleaned up after the 18 wheeler carrying a large loaded on the onion near and dump truck Fridays. The morning is the 14th, according to the officials. Police is the driver of the an 18,000 pounds of the 18-wheeler truck accident fall alone on the onion crashed into a dump truck before 2:30 a.m. The 18-wheeler carrying the onion and reportedly traveled to the highway. Speeds on the truck made contact with the dump truck. Some of the country and the onion trucks fell into the roadways. As a result of the crash, the driver of the dump truck was taken to the area hospital in stable condition, just to be on the safe side, while the driver of the onion truck was aroused by okay. After the incident occurs to the police, describes was the stable of along stretch highway compressed was sides of the truck. Video footage is Friday morning shows the bundle of the trucks. The next move of the cleanup plans that's dropping from the highway. Sandra, Texas, a semi-truck crashed out of the wall of northern San Antonio hotels after colliding another vehicle early Saturday morning. San Antonio police says that the vehicle involved was a small black sedan that crashed with the semi-trucks on the access road. The two vehicles stuck into the prisoner walking to the outside way, according to the KSAT. The vehicle both were off the road due to the crash striking a wooden utility pole and sending them through the connect wall of the hotel. Police says KSAT says the children become the wedge between the semi-trucks and the wall of the hotels. The 18-wheeler continues to the wall crashing into and the empty pool in the hotel, according to the authorities. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe our channel. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.